Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I freaking missed y'all. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Ashanae. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to click that subscribe button before you leave. You know, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know you're watching. Say hey or whatever the case may be. So today we're going to be getting into this yellow, I don't even know what to call this. I wouldn't call it rainbow because I'm missing a few colors. Maybe pink. I think that's the only. I mean, pink is not even in the rainbow, I don't think. I don't know. But this look right here is giving me like, I don't know. If y'all have a name for it, please let me know in the comment section because I don't know what to name this. But we are going to be getting into the new Itsmyrayeraye palette. She came out with another palette. Like, why she do this to me? Like, honey. Came out with a second palette, which is fire. Like, let me just tell y'all, it's fire AF. Now, this is her first palette, which she has the eyeshadows. Oh, not even. She has the mirror, the eyeshadows. We got highlight and contour. You got the whole shebang bang in one, right? So I did a video on this as well as the brushes. So I have the brushes, the old palette, the new palette, because I love me some Ray. So anyway, I have a video on this palette as well, like what, maybe a year ago. Yes, it's been a minute. I will have that in the description box and have a pop up in the card so you can check that out, so you can get my full review, the review on the first palette and the second palette. But we're gonna be getting into this palette today. I also purchased the BHCosmetics Blushing in Bali blush and highlight palette, if I'm not yeah, blush and highlight palette. I'm using all this stuff in the video. So without further ado, don't forget to click that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. The notification bell, right, is right next to the subscribe button. Once you click the subscribe button, the bell will be right next to it, and you click it so you can get notified from your phone or email to let you guys know when I've uploaded. So I don't want y'all missing nothing, so I want y'all to click that button and all that good stuff because I love y'all so much. We're gonna get into this video because I'm dying to get into this look. This look came out so good. So let's get into the video. So I'm gonna just prime my eyes with the ColourPop. I can't even see it. Wow. With the ColourPop concealer in the shade Dark 46. I just want to say that I love that this palette has a freaking mirror. Like, I mean, the best. These are the shades right here. I love this palette for the simple fact is that it's small. I didn't realize it was this small. It's small, compact, and you could travel with it. So yes, right, yes. We're gonna set that with my black Radiance banana powder. So now we're gonna go in with this nice vibrant purple shade, which is called Majesty. So we're gonna just pack that. I love how pigmented this purple is. Yes, don't get me wrong, it has fallout, but I don't care. I'm gonna go in with this blue shade right here, and I'm gonna just go in with an Itsmyrayeraye brush, and it's a pencil. I call it a pencil brush, and this is the number 7 brush. I freaking love this brush so freaking much. Like, I use this basically all the time. I'm gonna go in with a Elf's fluffy brush right here, and I'm gonna just blend out that blue. I'm gonna go in with a pencil brush, and I'm gonna just basically run the purple across the crease because we want it to be defined. Okay, so I'm gonna set my lid. I'm gonna go back in with the same banana powder from Black Radiance. I have a video on this powder as well. It's fire, y'all. It's fire. So, dang. I'm gonna set this because I'm using a shimmer. I'm using a. Are they serious outside? I'm using a matte shade. So I believe using matte shade, you should set your concealer. Go into the shade right here. So with my package that I ordered from BH Cosmetics, I got a free BH Cosmetics liner. I actually swatched this on my hand and it came out like good, but I don't know if I want to do wing liner because I really love this look. However, I don't think I'm gonna do wing liner. I'm just gonna give myself a little like just a line, like just a half, not a wing, but just line it a little bit, just to, you know, give y'all my first impressions. Okay guys, I am not up close and personal anymore, so we're gonna get onto the face. I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation stick. I do have a review on this, and I mean the whole new collection with Rose Rebel, I think I should check that out because sis, like, I'm gonna let y'all know this now, it's not a game. Okay? It's not a game. Okay guys, so you made it to the end of this video. I am happy that you guys have tuned in, and whoever haven't tuned in yet, then you still have time because this video is going to be up forever. Okay, so let's get into everything that I use. Let's just say this freaking palette. Let me see, Ray Ray, girl. Let me just tell you. What you just took pieces of your heart and just put it in the pigment, like what you do? Because like I'm in love. Look, first of all, I never came across a yellow shade that I can actually put on my lid and it looks exactly how it looks in the freaking pan. Let's just say that's number freaking one. Number two, yes, this palette has fallout. However, if it's not pigmented, then how you expect it not to have fallout? Just saying, no shade. But I freaking love this palette. It's very pigmented. I love the colors in this palette. I'm happy, right, that she has a matte shade for each shimmer. Like, she got the yellow to match the yellow shimmer, she got that to match that, that to match that, so we could just mix and match and do what we want to do. Like, with this I use what, almost the whole palette, not almost the whole palette, almost all the mattes, because I use the yellow, the purple, the blue, and I use brick. I try to collaborate as much color in my shadow as possible so it could be really, you know, something to stand out. This is bomb. I freaking love this palette. She did her thing with this palette. I'm not saying it's better than the first one, but it's fire, like, point blank period. And I don't think it could be better than the first one because she has highlight shades and she has contour shades in one palette. You cannot beat that. Like, I don't know whoever did it like that. Like, but as far as the blushing, is it blushing in, yeah, blushing in Bali, blush and highlights, I freaking love the two blushes. This blush I probably would not use. I haven't tried it, but I probably won't use this because this would definitely be too light for me. Like, let's be honest, we're going to just keep it a buck here. This is going to be too light for me. However, these two shades here are perfect. I use them together on my cheeks. I freaking love them. Pigmented, or the above. They remind me of elf blushes, if I'm not mistaken. Like, elf blushes are bomb as well. These two shades I use. This I probably would use in my inner corner, which I didn't today, which I should have. I could probably use this in my inner corner, and these two I could definitely use on my cheeks. I could use this first and then use this as a topper, but today I only used the middle one, which is Sunkissed, and I used the Itsmyrayeraye Radiant together because Rare's highlighter is like, I think she put pieces of her heart on that too, like, to be honest, because she just gave me all types of life. The liner I did not like. The liner pissed me off a little bit because it was skippy on my eye. It was skipping on my eye, so it wasn't really a, you know, clean line. So I had to go in. After I did that, I know I couldn't have wiped it off because that would have been too much. I would have had to probably do the whole eye over. Nobody has time for that. So I just basically took my NYX liquid liner and just went over it, and, you know, I'm straightening it out a little bit, and it came out bomb. So I'm happy about that. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share, comment, like, subscribe, share with your friends, your family, your grandmother, sister, whoever you think was going to watch this video. Share with them. I love you guys so much for the 18th buck thousandth time. I'll see you guys in my next video, and laters.